How often do you rely on quick, convenient cash withdrawals? For many of us, cardless cash was a lifesaver, a way to grab money from an ATM using just our phone. So, when Westpac, one of Australia's largest banks, quietly discontinued its cardless cash service, it left a lot of customers scratching their heads. Why remove a feature that seemed so incredibly useful? Was it a security issue, a lack of popularity, or something else entirely? Let's rewind a bit. Cardless cash, offered by several major Australian banks, was designed to make banking more accessible. Forgot your wallet? No problem. Needed to send cash to a friend quickly? Easy. The process was simple. Log into your banking app, select the amount, receive a unique code, and punch it into a compatible ATM. It was innovative and, for many, a genuinely valuable addition to their banking toolkit. Westpac's cardless cash service was specifically called cardless digital cash. It allowed customers to generate a 16-digit cash code and a 4-digit PIN through their Westpac banking app. This code and PIN could then be used at any Westpac, St. George, Bank SA, or Bank of Melbourne ATM to withdraw cash, without needing a physical card. It was a neat system, particularly for those moments of absent-mindedness or when you needed to provide cash to someone else without physically being there. So, why the sudden disappearance? Westpac's official statement cited evolving customer needs and the increasing preference for digital payment methods. While that sounds like standard corporate speak, it hints at a broader shift in how we manage our money. The rise of tap-and-go payments, mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and the increasing ubiquity of online transactions mean that the reliance on physical cash is diminishing. If fewer people are using cash, and even fewer are using cardless methods to get that cash, then the cost-benefit analysis for maintaining such a service starts to change for a bank. Consider the operational costs. Developing, maintaining, and securing a cardless cash system isn't insignificant. There are technological investments, ongoing security updates to prevent fraud, and customer support resources dedicated to troubleshooting. If the usage numbers don't justify these expenses, it becomes a prime candidate for removal, especially in a competitive financial landscape where banks are constantly looking to streamline operations and cut costs. Another factor might be the emergence of alternative digital solutions. Services like Osco and PayID offer instant bank transfers, making it incredibly easy to send money digitally to anyone with a bank account. If you need to give cash to someone, a direct, instant digital transfer is often more convenient and secure than generating a cardless cash code. This makes the specific use case for cardless cash less compelling. While Westpac hasn't provided granular data on usage, the evolving customer needs explanation likely reflects a strategic decision based on overall transaction trends. It's a sign of the times, a subtle indication that physical cash, while still important, is becoming less central to our financial lives, and the innovative solutions that once supported it are being superseded by even newer digital alternatives. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.